Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the connection failed error in Madden 26. So actually there are three ways by which you can solve this error, and the first way is that first of all you need to check if the EA servers are down or not. Like if EA servers are down or under maintenance, you'll always get the connection failed error. And in order to check if the EA servers are down or not, you just need to open your browser and type in the search bar EA status page. You're gonna see the official site. Open that up, and right here you're gonna see if the servers are online or not. You can see that the servers are online. You can see just next to EA Sports Madden NFL 26 the servers are online. It means that the problem is from our end and we need to fix that. But instead of online, if you're getting offline or the servers are not online, then in that case you just have to wait, because there's nothing you can do about it. You have to wait until EA fix it. If servers are online and you're still getting the error, then you have to restart your network, like restart your router and modem, switch to a stable connection like preferably Ethernet or strong Wi-Fi, and also in many cases using mobile hotspot will fix the issue. Then if the problem persists, then you can just clear the cache and restart the game, like restart your PC or console, whatever you're using. Then clear the cache. On Xbox you need to power reset, on PlayStation you need to use the unplug method, and if you're using Steam, Epic Game Launcher or EA app, you just need to clear the cache there. Once you do that, launch Madden 26 again and reconnect. That should fix your problem. So yeah guys, these were some solutions which you can try to fix the connection failed error in Madden 26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.